Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am your host and chef Shubhodit. So today's recipe South India, which belongs to Chettinad part of Tamil Nadu, and the name of the recipe is Chettinad Chicken. So for this we'll need chicken and all other ingredients. Now let me show you. You can see here is our chicken, and for spices, whole spices, we will need bay leaves, red chili, cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper seeds, cardamom, and this one is ginger and chili paste, garlic. We will make it paste later on. Some finely grated coconut. We will be roasting it right now, and some finely chopped onions. So as our pan are getting roasted or warm, we will now add coconut. Or just slow down your flame. We just want to roast it. Don't burn it. Let it burn. And now it's done. Now we'll transfer it into our mixing bowl. Now in the same pan, no need to even wipe it. We'll just roast our whole spices. So first goes bay leaves, then your red chilies, coriander seeds, cardamom seeds, and then your cloves, black pepper, and your cumin seeds. It's all added in here, so now it's time to mix it all together. So guys, here is your mixture, which is your grated coconut and all other spices, roasted spices. We have grinded them to a smooth mixture. You can see its consistency, it's very fine. So now let's proceed to our next step, in which we will just heat up our pan or a skillet. So now here we are on the next stage, which is adding up your oil into your skillet. So for 1 kilo of chicken you can use almost 80 to 90 ml, or you can also do it 100 ml. Take out some onion slices and just dip it. If it sounds crackling, it means your oil is heated. So now I will just add up my cumin seeds. Here it goes. Just give it a stir. 1 or 2 bay leaves. That goes in. Now it's time to add our onion. We will need to get that fried up. Meanwhile, you can add your ginger and chili paste. Keep your flame to high, as it will help to evaporate the extra water content easily. Now, as this dish belongs to South India, as you know, our South India is famous for coconut production. They always use coconut in everything, each and everything, starting from your rotis to chapatis and your parathas, and also idli, dosas, your rice, chicken, mutton, everything. They use only coconut and coconut ingredients, products like the oil. Also another ingredient that they use in heavy quantity is curry leaves. Luckily I have got curry leaves in my house. There is a curry leaves tree in my house itself, so I will just pluck out some leaves and just add it after a while. So guys, here is it, your curry leaves. First it's just simple, just pick, hold it from here, and just from this finger just pull out the string like this. You will get all the leaves in your hand. Just this flavor is just awesome. It's fragrance. As the time you add the leaves in your food, the flavor it's just amazing, really. Here goes some turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons, some red chili, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Actually guys, you can skip some of the ingredients which are described in traditional cuisines. For say, this dish uses one main key ingredient, which is patthar ke phool. Now that might sound strange to you, but being a chef, I know these spices are not available in all the markets in all over India. So I have just skipped this item. You can also skip some items if you don't find your locality. Cumin powder and coriander powder. So cumin powder, 1 big tablespoon, and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Now at this point of time, you can add our coconut mixture. Now what will happen is that coconut paste will absorb all the juices and all other spices. This skillet they will infuse together, and to produce a new flavor is done. We can add our chicken pieces. Actually, I have kept my chicken pieces to small cuts so that they can get easily cooked in minimum time. Now we'll have to stir it so that all the ingredients gets really mixed up. Now you can add your salt. Here goes 1 large scoop of salt and another half one. Mix it again. Now cover it with the lid and just let it cook by its own juices. We'll just keep it as it is, like for 3 to 4 minutes. After that we'll again after 3 to 4 minutes, let's see what has happened to our dish. Wow, it smells amazing, guys. Just believe me. The spices used are just genuine spices, homegrown. That's why these spices have garlic paste, intense flavor. Now so after 5 to 6 minutes of boiling it again, you can see on low flame. Actually, please notice it that I have just cooked it in low flame. So now you can see it's releasing all its juices and the oil which it is already absorbed. Now they are getting released. I will cover it again, but after adding some heavy cream. Too much of cream, just little bit. Yeah, and that will be perfect. And we will leave it with our lid on for again another 6 to 7 minutes. So now I will add some coconut water to it. Very gently pour the water. So as I have added the water in it, coconut water, so now I will just let it boil. Until then I will cover it for again 5 to 10 minutes of boiling it again. Here is our final dish. You can see the oil is floating over its gravy. So this is the texture, or this, I could say, this is the type of dish I would recommend to you. That while boiling you should reduce down your flame to low or medium and then cover it for some time. After that you will be able to see the oil is floating over it, and it just looks just amazing. Prepared my own garam masala, homemade garam masala. This one includes your sticks, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, and 5 to 6 green cardamom pods, and 2 to 3 cloves. And this is alright. We have mixed it with some water and just pasted it on our grinder until it becomes a smooth paste. So in the end, now we will just turn off our gas and we will add it to our dish. That's how it's done. Yeah. Now just mix it, and your dish is ready to be served. So today our recipe is done, and further more recipes I will just update you guys with my status. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and please share it with your friends and family members. Thank you.